The portable office is one of the best pieces of advice I ever got as a cleaning business owner. This is mine. The reason I like this so much is it looks like a very nondescript backpack. And just looking at it at a glance, you would never know that it has a padded envelope on the inside that is large enough for a 15.5 or a 17-inch computer. So I love it for this reason. It also has a really large pocket that the charging cable and mouse pads and mouse and all different kinds of things go inside. One of the things I like best about this is it's a very durable unit, and I've probably had this one for 4 or 5 years. It's been around the world with me, and it still looks brand new. It does have a mesh pocket on the side, and it allows me to keep my reading glasses and also my smartphone for easy access. So no matter where I go, if I'm out and about and I just have this tossed over my shoulder, I can just reach in the pocket and grab the things that I need without having to stop and take it out and open it up and all those things, right? It is also water and rain resistant. So if you're out walking about and maybe it starts raining, for example, it doesn't let any water into the bag. So I love it for that reason. It has in the front a pouch with lots of little pockets on the inside for ink pens or car keys or whatever. Now I have a rule when I go to the airport, and I always carry this as my carry-on. It fits underneath the airplane seat. It also fits in the overhead bin. But it's very economical in that it's small and it's compact. And so it kind of fits pretty much anywhere you go. And I do take it pretty much everywhere I go with me. Right inside this pouch, though, there's a little hook. So my rule is when I get to the airport and I take my car keys out, I'm not going to be needing them on the flight. But what I do is I connect them right to this little clip right here inside my pouch. And then whenever I go anywhere, I have my key with me. So if I get separated from my hotel room or if something happens and I have to catch a quick flight home, I can still access my car when I get back because it's always on my person. So house keys, car keys, they're always in my bag on my person when I travel. All right, so even if you don't travel, if you get up every day and you pack your to-go bag, there's a great big place in here, which is the middle pocket, and it's separate from the computer pocket, and it's separate from all of your accessories that you have in the front. This is a great place for your lunch. I like putting the lunch and my purse inside here. That way I have easy access to it, and it's not in the computer section of my bag. But I have everything compact that I need. I also carry an extra set of clothes and a makeup kit with me so that if I'm on the road and for some reason, let's say that I'm on a job and I'm between houses and I have a walkthrough, I can pull over to a gas station. I can change my shirt real quick. I can dress up my makeup, and then I look presentable when I go to the next house. So in the event that you have a cancellation and you find yourself short on time for traveling all the way back to your office so you can get some work done, you can pull over to the nearest coffee shop, pull out your portable office, pull out your laptop, work on your social media posts or your accounting or whatever it is you're going to do for the next couple of hours, and you can maximize that time until you then go on to the next job, which is in the same neighborhood. And like I said, it's very durable, and I especially love the handle. The handle, the top handle that you grab onto it, is built into the padded straps. And the padded straps are suspension straps. They've got elastic right here, so it stretches a little bit. And then also, one of the cool things about it is it has adjustable tabs here. So if you have it on and it's not quite right, or it's hanging too low or too high, you just adjust the straps that way. And then I've just tied a quick knot so that it locks it in place for my height. And then when you go to grab it, if it is heavy for any reason, you got lots of stuff in here, when you grab it, it's not going to tear the seams away because it's built into the handle. So like I said, it's high Sierra, but I absolutely love having one with me everywhere I go.